Want to build a basic IR sensor circuit without any microcontroller? In this video, we'll use the classic LM741 op-amp to create an IR detection system, ideal for object detection or DIY security. Here's what you'll need for this project. LM741 IC, the brain of our circuit. IR transmitter and receiver LEDs. 100K potentiometer, for adjusting sensitivity. 330 ohms, 120 ohms, and 100K omega resistors. LED and buzzer, to indicate detection. A handful of connecting wires. And finally, a Vero board to mount it all. The IR transmitter constantly emits infrared light. When an object comes close, the IR receiver picks up the reflection. This changes the voltage at the input of the LM741, which is configured here as a comparator. If the received signal crosses the threshold, it triggers the output, activating our buzzer and LED. Let's solder it on a Vero board. Powering it up, the IR sensor waits for a reflection. Bring your hand or object close, and boom! The LED lights up, and the buzzer sounds off. You can fine-tune the sensitivity using the potentiometer. Here's the final compact IR sensor circuit. No Arduino, no coding. Just pure analog electronics. You can use this setup in security systems, obstacle detection robots, or even auto faucets. If you enjoyed this build, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.